Yes, guys, welcome. You guys know, say, I always do a little cooking when I travel, so today, guys, is a feature where I cook. So I'm at my location, guys, and see what is going on over there. Not doing any big thing. Boxing Day in Jamaica, the day after Christmas, so frying up some pollo, which is chicken, some rice, white rice, some fried plantains, plantain out. That's what I'm doing, guys. So this is where I'm doing my little magic this evening. So once Father is out here doing a thing, let me bring it down a little bit, a little adjustment. Yes, guys, so here with myself doing my little thing, doing a little chef up. So we get into it. And we are in the DR. So anywhere Jamaicans going up, we cook. I try your food, I love it. I was down in San Pedro, the Macaris, and I love it, guys. My family is down there, my adopted family adopt me. San Pedro de Macaris. Yes, guys, so there you have it. The chicken is in the fryer right now. The rice is being steamed. I got the plantain to fry next. So here's my plantain already peeled and sliced and everything. So as I said, guys, it's not a big one this evening. This is not a big cook, but I'm in the DR and I have to do something while I'm here. So I'm doing a little one chef of work. So here by myself. So this will, guys, one thing I'm telling you, food is galore here. So I'm just cooking. Basically, I'm just cooking. Because even when I was leaving from San Pedro to come back to where I'm staying, over by Bavaro. I'm at Bavaro right now, over on Punta Cana side. Punta Cana is just up the road. Bavaro is right here where I'm at. Yeah, Punta Cana town and everything. We are in one tourist area. As you can see, I'm not at the hotel, guys. I am the chef because I want to make my own meal at this point in time. So bless up to everybody, and remember, Jamaican men can cook. See ya. Oh, guys, there is a very important message I need to give to you guys. It is no hidden secret here in the DR. When you get here, guys, don't drink the tap water. You got to have bottled water at all times. Don't drink tap water, guys. Put the signs everywhere for you to see, everywhere you go. Hotels, public places, anywhere. Bottled water, guys. So if you come here and you want to enjoy yourself, please don't drink the tap water. Just follow the rules when it comes to the water. And there is plenty of rivers here. I did not get the full story on why the water is polluted or why it is not good to drink, but they will say it will hurt your belly. Just follow the rules and don't drink it. And even if you are cooking or washing your fruits, they have filtered water, bottled water. You can get the 5 gallons or such. It is here. You're not short. You'll be okay. But just don't drink the tap water. That is it. here you are, guys. I am cooking in the DR. Cooking in the DR. What one spot I'm cooking in the DR. Guys, you know sometimes I get crazy. Muy malo. Bad. Loco. Yes, guys, and when you get here, make sure you know Spanish or even un poco Spanish. Good. Un poco español will help you to communicate a little, like simple things, you know. Agua, sí, donde, where, aquí, ven aquí, sí, amigo, friend, you know, por favor, please, un momento, you know, agua, caliente agua, which is agua is water, caliente hot water, frío cold water, you know, pollo, chicken. These little things you will catch them while you're on the ground too, as well. I know poco, but depending on when I'm having a conversation, guys, it just flows. Sometimes it just flows, and another time it's like my mind frees. But being here for almost 2 weeks now, trust me, guys, and spending time with the locals, you catch it like real rapido, muy rapido, you pick it up. Guys, see that? Can you see what is happening in the pot right there, guys? One spada is cooking. How does that look, guys? Just send a little, you know, message and like we know how it looks. But we're cooking, guys. We're cooking. Oh, my baby's not here with me. She have to leave me here, guys, so I'm all alone in the DR. My baby had to leave me here. Henceforth, she would have been in the kitchen with me and stuff, but mwah, te amo to my baby. Oh, give me a second, guys. Ta-da! Woo! Amsterdam. Let me show you guys. Amsterdam. This is what I'm gonna have over here. My Amsterdam. This is vodka, guys. This is one of the best liqueur I have tasted from last year. Big up to Uncle Wendy. Uncle Wendy, and you cast this in. You are the person who has done this. Let me fall in love with Amsterdam. Muy. There you have it, guys. Amsterdam. And this is the passion fruit flavored Amsterdam. We had the pineapple one. Well, my amigo had the pineapple one. I was staying clear of alcohol. And I got my citrus. Booyah! Booyah! Wow. So, this is my company for today, guys. You can see the batteries grande. Look at my head, which is very big, and look at the bottom to my head. This is it, guys. We'll make this. Enjoy yourself. Hey baby, if you was here with me, it would have been a wonderful time tonight. We'd have burned down the forest. I know my baby that sets on fire to the wood, you know. She like when it blaze. Yeah, when we have this, she like the wood. Mwah. My wife is gonna kill me. And alive, I can say. Yes, guys, still on the beaten part of the fire, you know. Wow! Nice, we have to steam the chicken, the fry steam. Look at the rice, guys. Fluffy like the clouds. Wow. Wow. Rice fluff like the clouds, guys. Who want to come and share some of my dinner with me? Who want to come and dine with me? Do you want to come and dine with one Sparta? The invitation is open, guys, and you know that wherever I am, something has to be getting cooked. Wow. And Sparta, go on with yourself, people. Things is happening here. As what Nathan would say, once there is bandania, things can happen. So for me, once there is a fire and there is pots, things can happen. So once Sparta is doing it, I'm not talking about it, I'm doing it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my videos. Don't just watch them, please. Subscribe and help the channel, guys. So, you know, and I would like to say thank you to everybody who has been following and watching me from last year and the year before and the year before. My channel is small, it's poco, but it is growing. And I just want to say thank you, guys. I'm having a bit of fun out here and I'm sharing with you. And I like when we interact, correspond. But you're learning about me and I'm learning about myself as well and what I really do like. So thank you very much, guys, for following, for sharing, and for subscribing to One Sparta. Continue. Never stop. I don't know where I'll turn up next, guys. Let us see if I become one of these famous YouTuber or travel programs and stuff like that. I am just living my life and I'm curious. And as I was saying in a vlog today, guys, that when I was much younger, I used to watch this program by the name of Caribscope, and Saturdays and Sabado, they would show different Caribbean islands, how the people there live, what they do for fun, what they do for work and all these things. And I used to be fascinated by it. So henceforth, my passion for traveling the Caribbean was born right there. So now I am on my second Caribbean country at this moment, and I've been to the UK a couple of times, but I want to do the Caribbean, guys. Guys, I have to let you have a look at this. Come over here. Tell me how it looks. I hope it tastes like how it looks, guys. I seriously hope this tastes like how it looks. But for now, guys, I will have to let you guys go because my battery is going. So I'm gonna charge up and stuff. Oh, there is a video playing of me installing Windows with Moneybird in the background over here. But I will have to go now, guys. So I'll see you on the flip side. And remember, guys, thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you for following. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the interaction. And may God bless you guys when we meet on the other side next year of 2025. Hope we all have a great year. This one was very informative for me, very wonderful for me. And a blessed night to you all. Buenos noches.